Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 51 Wall Street, Unit 1, and this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like from the front here. So this is the front entrance to the front of the building and the hallway there. Then that comes into the living room. Living room is a good size, easily big enough for a sectional couch and an entertainment system. Coffee table, other things that would be here. And I'm just going to kind of go around the whole apartment, try to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can. So through the living room, you get to the dining room, goes to all the other rooms in the apartment. Starting with this one on the right here. This is probably the biggest, it's probably the biggest out of all 3 rooms. It's close right next to the room that gets to the bathroom. And so you can see through here. 2 closets, so kind of a master bedroom also because of that. 2 closets. That one goes under the staircase, and then this one back into this wall. Hardwood floors throughout here. There's vinyl in the other room over there. These rooms are probably big enough for at least a queen size bed with a desk and a dresser set up. And coming through here, here's the vinyl floors again, as well as the baseboards. Baseboards are going to be throughout the apartment. Here's the hookups for the washing machine right here. Come through here. Oh, and hookups for the dryer machine are in the back. If you look here, this is bedroom number 2. So at some point you would have said that this is a parlor room, but it's been fully converted with its own closet and locking off of the access to the other room that's completely walled off. So you have bedroom number 2 right here. Lots of light coming in through that one. Most of the rooms as well. Pretty tall windows over here. You see the kitchen from this angle. So bedroom, living room, bedroom, and then other bedrooms down there where the rest of the kitchen is. And then this is the bathroom. So with the bathroom, you have vanity mirror. You have a toilet that was, not a toilet. You have a bath that was recently, gotten all clean. The place has been fully cleaned. And then you come through there, and here's the rest of the apartment. So stainless steel fridge, along with cabinets on the side over here with the granite style countertop. Looks very nice. You have the nice tiling and the black backsplash there. Then you come through, final bedroom over here. So closet has its own heating element. Also big enough for the queen size with the desk dresser. It's usually how to give an approximation of the size of the room because it's most of what would have to fit in a room. And then you have the closet for that extra storage. And if you have any questions, as always, you can go to nexuswor.com to our vacancies page to see a full list of the apartments for rent and set up an appointment with the leasing agent. And this is 51 Wall Street, Unit 1. And once again, it's been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.